Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to use secure folder and privacy settings. At first we need to set up the secure folder. Open settings, and here we need to scroll down to the security and privacy tab. Here you need to tap more security settings. Now you need to select secure folder right here. And now we need to set our secure screen lock first. Let's tap settings, and now we need to set our screen lock. Let be pattern and the most common one, L. Of course I don't recommend setting the most common one. Confirm. Doesn't matter actually, and here we've got our secure folder description. We can tap continue. And here we've got permissions we need to grant for a secure folder to be working. Hit continue and creating secure folder. Now we need to set lock type for our secure folder, which is something different than we did earlier. Let it be, for example, not password. Let it be, for example, pin code 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember not to use such easy pins for your secure folder or your phone. Remember to use something different. Use anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just the showcase. And now we need to tap allow. Next. And here we've got choose what happens when secure folder is locked. Allow background activity while locked, or close or lapse while locked. Next, hide secure folder for more privacy. Done. And here I've got default applications in a secure folder. Now we can add many applications or other things to our secure folder. So we need to tap plus here, and now you can download any application from Play Store, from Galaxy Store, or add ones here. Just tap on each and select here add. Here I've got my files. And that's how it works right here. And what else can you actually do in this secure folder? If you tap this top right corner, you can tap settings, and here you've got all the settings for your secure folder. Like you can set up biometrics, like screen scanning, face scanning, or the fingerprint. Auto lock secure folder, all background activity while locked, notifications, apps, Galaxy AI, manage accounts, more settings like data usage, privacy policy, permissions, and other things like that. How to move actually files on the gallery or photos to the gallery or my files application. At first open gallery on your normal phone apart from the secure folder and select some photo or photos, like multiple ones. Here you need to tap this 3 dots in the top right corner and move to secure folder. Now we've got moving items to secure folder, and here we've got it. The same is with your files. My files here. Let's tap something in there, like this thing. You need to tap these 3 dots, select something, move, and here we've got, okay, I think I missed, okay, oh, because this is a photo, I forgot about it. Wait a moment, I need to find something that's not a photo. I think I don't have anything like that, but you need to, of course, just move it to the secure folder. And that should be it for this video. Bye!